The business community is upbeat over the Arbitral Tribunal's ruling favoring the Philippines on the South China Sea.
We've scored something positive here.
We're very, very happy. The markets will move up, I think.
Business as usual.
Philippine Stock Exchange President and CEO Hans Sikat is expecting positive market response in the coming days. These include sectors that are heavily engaged in China, such as logistics, airlines, and shipping. Sikat says positive investor sentiment continues to drive the economy.
In terms of the overall Philippine capital market, we're really driven by the general market, or I would call macroeconomic fundamentals of the country.
The Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry is even more optimistic. It is expecting more Chinese investments to come in, especially in oil exploration, mining, and infrastructure. Honorary Chairman Donald D. credits President Duterte's realistic approach to the problem and the prospects of holding bilateral talks with China.
He has already said a signal that we're not going to go to war. We're going to go and talk about economic joint ventures.
In the past, D says some of their Chinese counterparts withheld investments because of the Aquino administration's fiery rhetoric. The Makati Business Club, meanwhile, will keep an eye on how the administration will maintain good trading relations with China.
I think for the business community, we welcome it, but we would watch now what happens. We would look at government and see what lead they take.
The two economies are closely linked. China is the country's fourth largest export market and the biggest source of imports. Members of the business community agree there's much to lose when conflict happens. That's why the government should calculate its moves going forward. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.